Hey guys, in this video I want to show you how to customize your mouse and do a shortcut features on SolidWorks and how to customize them. But yeah, this is no design here, but just giving you ideas on how to set up your hotkeys and that sort of stuff. But yeah, let's go ahead and begin. Um, so I'll just cancel this out really quick. So what you want to do is go to File, go to New, and just do a new part, create a new template there. So what I usually use the mouse function, right? So when you right click or the left click your mouse and just move your mouse, you have these options here. And this is a really neat feature in SolidWorks and very handy. So you don't usually have to go up here, click through the ribbons and find out, and go through these. But instead, you can just use your, like really like these mouse rollers and like the hotkeys on the keyboards and find the do it really quick. But yeah, I'll walk you through how to do it. So if you press S, like that's a shortcut feature there. So press S one more time, press S and right click anywhere here, not right or left click, anywhere here, customize, and you'll get this feature here. And you have all the tools and all the features here. You can make a shortcuts too, right? So for shortcut bars, right, this is what's inside here right now. So when you press, like, I'll exit out of it one more time. When you press S on the part file mode, you have these features. Let's say I want to add something else to this, right? So just right click or left click, customize it, and you have these right here. So like toolbars, shortcut bars, like this is a shortcut here, right? So here I can just pretty much go ahead and drag and add anything. So like let's say I want to add like convert entities, right? So click on it and you can just drag it here. And if you don't want something, just click out of it here, right? And it'll take you out, you'll remove it there. There's extrude feature here, there's plane features. Let's say I don't want that. I don't want the fillet features, but you can use these shortcut tabs here to use functions that you really use, like when under like the part files you use like the line features, right? So you can add the line features there, and you can add like the rectangle features and that sort of things. Um, and there's even like the trim tools, right? You use trim tools quite a bit, use that there. And just all the features you really use, like the mirror tools and that sort of stuff there. And on the next one over here, there's the assembly files. You can customize this as well. And the drawing files, you can add like the smart dimensions and those kind of things. Same thing there, right? On the command menu here. Um, yeah, go through it here. The one thing I really like are the keyboard shortcuts, right? Like I like the measure tools, right? Like if you type M measure, let's say I already have a shortcut and I put an M in there, and I like the recent files, right? You can click on like a type recent files, right? And you put R, so what that does is I'll cancel out of it. So when you do like M key, right, you get these measure tools, and when you have your parts, you can measure between the surfaces, and the S key, like all these features you just added here, those lines and the squares, it's here. So I'm gonna go back and customize it that one more time, and I'll customize my so keyboards. Yeah, see what hotkeys works best for you. You can do it from here. And mouse gestures is like this is when you roll your right left click your mouse and just move it, and you'll get these features like part files. You have these options, right? If you want to add something else, you can do that. You can add like a smart dimension here. That's on the sketch file. It already has here, right? Um, but you have options here on the drawings and that sort of stuff. Yeah, you can pretty much, if you need to remove something, you can just remove it, right? Like this, I don't need it, so just cancel it there. Um, Let me see. So if you reset to default, Let's see what that does. These are the SolidWorks default. So so you don't need to set up anything here. These are the default feature. If you need to add something to it, then you can do that. Like here, I want to add um, because my mouse roller doesn't work, so I need the rotation view here. So I can search, let's say rotation, rotate view. I can just go there and just drag it. So I'll need that in my part file here, and I'll just put it down here. Let's see if I can drag that, and yeah, pretty much anywhere. Like click on it. Let's say I want it on my sketch file also. Instead of that, I'll just put a there like that. So same thing in the assemblies. I'll just remove one of these views and just add it there. But yeah, whatever features you use the most, I would definitely use it here, like the smart dimension feature, right? Rather than up there, I like it up here when my mouse just clicks up. I can just put it here, something like that there. Um, yep, that's it there. Customize. But yeah, once you're done with it, press OK. Then you have all that feature. Let's say now I'm going to create a part on my front plane, and let's say what I have in my part files, I already have the lines. So this is a mouse I just set up, right? So left click on your mouse, move the mouse, and you have smart dimension circle. Let's say I want the circle, click on it, and just snap it there. But I could of course go here and do it, but that'll take a while. So when you're doing when you are little fast at it and you need to do something quick, this will come super handy for me, like this rotation view, just do it like that. So, and press space bar and you get all the orientation view, and I'll teach you about the orientation one more time. So let's say I want, let's rotate this model really quick. Let's extrude that. So my shortcut, so if I press S, now I have all these features. Let's say I want to extrude it. Click on that. Just extrude like 10 millimeters or so, right? Let's say I want a view, like your default views. If you press spacebar, these are your default views, right? Press spacebar or the isometric view, you get that. Let's say I want a different orientation. Let's say I want something like that, right? Now I can save that. What you can do is press spacebar and click on add new view, right? And just give it like a bottom view or something. Bottom view, press OK. Now every time, right? So let's just go ahead and click out of it. You just zoom in and out. Now press space bar, click on your bottom view. That view you just saved, you'll always have that. And that's pretty useful, if you're engineering, doing something, drawings and that sort of stuff, you need like views to add in your drawings. These will come handy also. So yeah, so these are the most common shortcut features I usually use. This S feature will give me these, and if you press R, these are like all the recent files that I have worked on, and spacebar. If you press spacebar, it should give me that my orientation view, but I think my SolidWorks froze here. Um, yep, spacebar will give me all the views that I need, your top, front, your right, left, all the views. And the other ones, let's say press space bar, do top view. Let's say I want to orient that, like spin it like 90 degrees. What you can do is hold down shift, do an up arrow. It'll give you that. Do like a right arrow, left arrow, down arrow. This is all while you're holding down shift. And then this will come handy, when you're trying to work on like look at the planes you're working on or mid plane and that sort of stuff. Yeah, they'll come super handy. But once you do your orientation at one view, then just hold down your shift and use the arrow keys to turn 90 degrees in any direction. So yeah, they come super handy there. So but yeah, and this is a short video on the shortcuts that I usually use. But yeah, I hope you find this very helpful. Um, and thank you for watching, guys. Yep, bye.